So now it's downloaded, and I just tap try it, and so there are some prompts. Type prompt, calculate hash text snipper, and then you can see some configurations. You can okay, so you need to tap in the top right, and then this model, as I understand, is kind of interactive map. Show interactive map view, act as intent for text-based. Calculate hash of a given text spinner, mood tracker, query Wikipedia. So pretty cool. So you can see name, description, um, and then you can see detailed instructions in Markdown. So for example, again, record audio, camera, text input, story, all kinds of stuff. But yeah, all right. So how do I exit? I'm just using it the first time. So now it's grayed out. I need to tap in top right, and then generate password, query Wikipedia, and then this is kind of the idea, and then so that's the idea. Record audio, photo library, camera, text input history, and that's kind of the idea. So now for experiment, I disabled all my Wi-Fi and cellular data, and then I just try to use it. And then, yeah, as you can see, it works perfectly fine, completely offline without internet. And it's quite fast, as you can see. And, this way, everything stays on your phone. So it's kind of more secure. So kind of you have, yeah. Oopsie. So it's a bit buggy. Still, you can have some of this. Why is that? These are all just templates, kind of like examples, kind of agent skills. And then you can just view it in the full screen. And this is how you track your mood. And then that's kind of the idea. Yeah, that's the basic idea of this app, how you can try it. And there are all of these different models. But the main thing is that it works completely offline. So that's what it is. So try it out. And yeah, you can just use it in AI chat. can also download this one and then just use as AI chat. So that's the AI chat, just the basic kind of chat GPT. Yeah, for you, but then separately there are like agent skills. So like two use cases. Agent skills, as you can see, is specifically if you need some kind of apps experiences or something like that. So yeah, that's what you have in here. So yeah, and then you have ChatGPT, super quickly and easily installed, and which can be used offline, super fast and private. So that's kind of a really cool app.